Ki noyalam jong ke JNC ke seng ke bapet ya ke bit ke biang ke Jainte Hills hapo ke jingalam jong presiden rangba ke seng uba sanbon miling do kilalet ya kendu ya UMP ke Shillong parliamentary seat uba Ricky Syngkon ban IT HU ya ke Dorkhas bat ban pha Tuklar Halor ke Jingpin Slam bat bambiang ya ke rukom pentre ya ke surok National Highway 6 kabadan hakitan Jainte Hills bat kebelamang pisa di kispa akrur.
Tahun ni inaliang yang ke JNC dalai macam mihit iwa UMP untuk ya Dr. Ricky Syngkon hak yung wasa ni dah hijing itu wak isu open snya hijing itu wak surok NH-6 wada saatin takisnem hakawa dato open dep no yang uni surok wada sedang nadu nin snem arja arso nadu penai match bat je haduk katte uni surok dang manu wasatin wadadin wakakut de ego ya ka hukum wato open dep yang uni surok hapo yang benai Ogos hande yo haduk uni benai Oktober le yo dang man go kawadang satin chna yo uni surok man go le ka proses ka slow haduk kate khamtam hakawa ya ka ya uni surok wato chna da ka Purwanchal Biltech private limited kawato sab uchna go nadu wajer haduk juai bypass te yo kat kamaman haduk kate dang man go kawasating bat kani ke jingman jinglong bo ke jing ya ki paj ba khamtam ya ki walai bawan ya ki wa lai khan lang bau ni surok ni ba ka jing pun slow ukre kam yang ni surok pen man go penjur go ya ka jing blok yang kikari pen slam go ya ka lai kawan bat nalor bau ni surok de manu ka ten do wachnai o de khianu bat nalor was khianu sawas slow kar kom kre kam bat ka jing kre kam le mentu kre hini tang hinim pudep darak citai darak chabi tiban kichnong bat hadin ke jing dep ya ke jing chna le yunwani wa duk katukat ni por uni surok damanu wasi dan nitai dau ini siau to I ulai cham wa Dr. Ricky Syngkon wa manu MP yang I na ka Shillong constituency nak betau pensniau o ya kani bat yo kakam ka jing kerpat le yo pensniau ya kani hapo ke parliament le cha union minister for road transport and highways kanang yo pensmat ya kan dikam yo usuk upai ba tele dapat ya ka rekomman long ka idau ha kan ka Purwanchal Biltech hejing itu kom slow ko yang ka yo man ko kajing skiat ni ba hakini kitau nadu wajar ceduk cha juai bypass man go kathau ko usaja haduk kate uchna le de compare chaka kathai nadu wajar cheduk rata sara chaki tu kithan man ki ko saja nitai dau yoi kani kar kom le kani ko company khantam ko wan nabar hejing sket to pre go ya ka kam da ka hakom ko wa pun kemen ya ki paj ba hakom ko we jing suk ya ki paj ba andre wat wan go nabar le man go kam kate ka company wa kre sket ya ka hok nitai dau isau to ile man o ya ke jingmut to kam kini ke company to bu no iki blacklist hapo yang ka Ministry of Road Transport and Highways dan ha ke jingi cham yang wa Dr. Ricky do eu ke jingkular ne wa to daulai survey ya uni surok yo pai ya kata ke jing sket wa kam
today we from the Jainte National Council we have met with our member of the Parliament Lok Sabha, Dr. Ricky Syngkon. The issue we have met him is regarding our mission which we launched last year, the Safe Jainte Mission. And in the Safe Jainte Mission, we have 5 agenda, and 2 of them is the issue we have to deal with the central government. So today we have met with our MP and we have submit a memorandum to him regarding the long pending issue of the Jainte National Council regarding the mining of the coal mining, scientific coal mining, because what we have seen in this past few years, the government has issued a notification to apply for this prospecting mining, like to apply for this mining license. It is very hard for for the low for the small scale mining people, because in this mining we should have 100 hectare of area so that we can apply for coal mining, which is very difficult for the small miner. Because if we look back, before the NGT banned the coal mining, in Jaintia Hills we used to have a small scale mining. So but now it is a very difficult for the public, so we have raised the issue with our MP. So our MP has informed us that it is not in his hand, it is both the state government also should move on this issue. But last time also we have met with regarding this SOP of the coal mining. We have met with Chief Minister, we have met with the Secretary of Mining Geology. Verbally they have given an assurance like they have right to the Ministry of Coal India, so that they can reduce the hectare. But till date we didn't get it in writing, so we'll be follow up this issue with the state government also. And the next issue of the state Safe Jaintia mission is of this the dispute area between the Assam and the Meghalaya in the Jaintia Hills. And we have requested our MP to talk with the President of India, so that all the Panar village who are now in Assam will be transferred back to Jaintia Hill, especially in Block 1 and Block 2. Because if we go back to the history of Jaintia, all these places belong to the Jaintia kingdom, especially the Khadar Daloi. And one of the ilika of the Khadar Daloi is that Labang Nong Puluk, which is now in the jurisdiction of this West Karbi Anglong. So we hope in future like our MP will take this matter seriously, and we hope like the government of India will based on the history of the Jaintia kingdom and will transfer this land back to the Jaintia Hills.